Hello students, how are you? Hope you are fine. So we are meeting again after a long time. So today's topic is atoms and molecules. So first of all we need to know what is atom and what is molecule, and before that we need to know about the substance and matter. Okay, matter is a substance that occupies space and has mass, and that substance is made up of small particles called atoms. Okay, suppose if you take any substance and we break it into pieces, okay, goes on breaking it, and at last we will get a small piece, and that will not break further. So that small particle is known as atom of that substance. Okay, but here we will do some activities, okay, taking that smallest atom, okay, that we cannot see with the naked eyes, okay, that atom we will take it as granted bigger in size, as if we are seeing it through microscope. Okay, so this type of size we will take. Okay, so this is one atom. Okay, you can see this is one atom, so we cannot divide this further. Okay, so we cannot get half atom like that. Suppose if you are taking any substance and making it half, we are getting half and half, this side and that side, half ball. Okay, we will not get half atom, we will get only single atom, and if I break it, then we will get electron, proton and neutron. Okay, that are not going inside. Okay, so we are keeping it outside. So this is an atom. Okay, but different substance has different kinds of atom, different sizes of atom, like that. This is a bigger size atom. Okay, I have another atom that is a smaller size. You can see these two smaller size atom. Okay, another also little bigger but smaller than this. So these are all different size of atom we are getting. Okay, so if I talk about, this is an atom of oxygen, O, written O. Okay, this is an atom of hydrogen, written H. You can see. Okay. This is an atom of carbon, it's written C. You can see. Okay, so this type of atoms we are having. Okay, so these are the atoms of carbon, this is the atom of oxygen, and this is the atom of hydrogen. Okay, so there are so many elements are there, so we will get different kinds of, so many atoms also we will get. Okay, but we are using this type of, only these three atoms we are using. Okay, so this is an atom. Okay, if I take this type of so many atoms together, then that substance will known as element. Okay, in an element there should not be any other kind of atom, only that similar kind of atoms will be there. So now look into it. Now see, this is atom of carbon, these are the atoms of oxygen, and these are the atoms of hydrogen of different size. So if all these atoms join together, okay, and this will be an element of, and what is that element? Element is oxygen. When all the atoms are carbon and all the atoms are of same size, same thing, okay, and same properties, so this forms a substance. That substance is also an element, and this is, the element is carbon, and this is all about hydrogen. Okay, so these all are what? Elements. Okay, suppose if I join these two, this is becoming a molecule. But when this type of molecules are there in total, okay, so this will also become an element, because this is becoming O2. Okay, so this is a molecule, but we are getting, because all the atoms are of same type. Okay, so that's why it is element. Okay, so these are all elements. So you have seen about elements of same kind of atoms. Okay, So now we are going to know about the molecules. What is molecules? When two or more atoms join together or combine together to form a group, and that group is known as a molecule. Let me give you an example. Suppose this is a carbon atom. Okay. This is oxygen atom. This is another oxygen atom. So these three atoms combine together to form a molecule of carbon dioxide, CO2, C1O2, that is CO2, carbon dioxide. So let me show you how it is forming the bond. Okay, so now you can see carbon 1 and 2 oxygen. If this type of molecule exists, there are so many molecules combined together, so many molecules are there, okay, then we can call it a compound. Okay, this type of molecules, same type of molecules, there are so many molecules will be here, okay, and that will call it as compound. Okay, now see it. Now when we combine these atoms together to form molecules, okay, how we will combine it? Suppose you can see here one carbon atom combined with two oxygen atom, so we can call it CO2. So this is molecule. So molecule of what? CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide. So if I take this type of molecules, so many molecules together, then we will get a compound. At that time it will not be a element, it will be a compound. Why it is compound? Because there are different atoms combined together. Okay, C is another type of atom, oxygen is another type of atom. So two type of atom is combined together to form one molecule, and this type of molecules, when there will be so many molecules together, that will be a compound. Okay, so these are molecules. This is one molecule, three atoms combined together to form one molecule. Okay, so this is what? Carbon dioxide. So this is what? Carbon dioxide. Okay, this is what? This is also a molecule, but this is what? Oxygen. This is oxygen. Suppose if I take two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom and combine together, so one oxygen and two hydrogen atom, this is becoming H2O. H2O means water molecule. So if we take two hydrogen atoms together, bonded together, then we will call it as hydrogen molecule. And suppose if I take one carbon atom and four hydrogen atom, so what we call it? CH4. CH4 means methane. There are so many molecules you can make. Okay, so hydrogen, this molecules, this is a molecule. Okay, if you take this type of molecules only, then we will get a element, because the atoms are of same size. If this type of molecules will take in a lot, okay, then this will be a compound, that is carbon dioxide. This will be element of oxygen, because same atoms, all will be same atoms. This, if I take this type of molecules in a lot, that is a compound, that is water. If you take a glass of water, then we'll find in this glass of water there are millions of this type of molecules. This is methane molecule. So these are all compounds. So these are all about molecules. Hope you have understood. So now, have you got the knowledge of atoms and molecules? What is atom and molecule? So atom is the very smallest particle of any substance, and molecule is the combination of two or more atoms. And if one type of atom is present in a substance, that is known as element. And if two or more type of atoms is present in a substance, and that substance is known as compound. So you can try it at your home. Okay, take that pudding clay, okay, and make some small balls like that. Okay, different colors. You will get different colors. I don't have different colors, but I have written the names on it. Okay, so you can use that clay thing, okay, with different colors, and you make it a small balls, okay, smaller size, bigger size, okay. So you can make different kinds of balls, okay, and that will be a different atom for different element, okay, and you combine together. There are so many molecules you can create, okay, and you can do that, and you will definitely have fun doing all these activities. Okay, so thank you all of you.